Good morning, YouTube. You guys are doing good. I like this take out all-time high and then sell off. I mean, the thing is, every time we've taken all-time highs, we've never sold off. So, I doubt we're gonna sell off. We're probably just gonna keep upping up into higher. We're either gonna chop or gonna pump up into higher. I don't think we're gonna sell off. Normally, what we want is instead of us pumping up, we sell off, take all these liquidities, and then we go for all-time highs. But we just took all-time highs, so. Yeah, we're just pumping, bro. Oh my gosh. How much have we pumped already, dude? 110 points. Jeez. Dude, we're just going, we're going. Yeah, I mean, if we sell off, would be nice for shorts. You know, we just take this gap here. We just created just a 100-point gap. But, let me see. ES just took out all-time highs right now. So, very interesting. Bro. But guys, let's see if we can work with something. See if the market has good price action today. I mean, the volume here looks pretty good. Let me see. Like, we pumped up about like 120, 130 points. So volume looks pretty good. This would be a full-size candle here. So let's see if the market can give us something. If we sell off, would be pretty nice for shorts. I'm not gonna lie. I would really, really like shorts if we just sell off. We'd have to sell off about basically 90 points for us to even get entry, and we also have to wait 4 minutes for this gap to form. I think we're probably just gonna go higher though. I mean, if we look at the higher time frame, we are overall bullish. We just pumped up 130 points. Very big displacement candle. Yeah, trend is overall bullish. So let's see, maybe we can get a continuation model into higher. Wouldn't be too bad. Or obviously if we get shorts, we can get shorts. But I want to look for a continuation model here. Just mark out this gap. It's a big old gap. Thing is that sucks about trading all-time highs is that we don't really have like a target. We have no levels to work with. So it's like the weird thing about all-time highs conditions. I have I have a 25-point price target. Dude, I'm gonna try to get you something, man. Let's see, let's see. Let's see how the market is moving. If we're able to reverse here, honestly, would be really nice for shorts. Bro. Or just fill the imbalance of the gap and bounce for higher until PMI. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We hit all-time highs. We don't really have any more levels to the upside, so I don't see why the market would want to go higher. You know, like we already pumped from all-time highs, an extra 85 points. So it's like, how much higher does the market really want to go, and not take out any levels? So let's see if maybe we can work with something here. See if we can retrace into this without just pumping. Right now it's just a waiting game, guys, because nothing we can really do. We just have to wait for the market to give us something. We have this 5-minute gap that we just created up here too, so if we just keep going up, at least we have this gap to maybe like bounce off of. We don't have to wait for all the way down here. Let's see if my stream went live on YouTube. Alright, my YouTube is good. Yeah. Alright. So we gotta wait 3 minutes, guys. If we don't drop down. Now, if we're able to drop down here, bounce off this gap and go higher, then we could low-key take something. But if not, we just have to wait the 3 minutes for this gap to form, and then we can work with something off this gap. minute and a half, guys. So let's see what we can work with. If this gap is able to hold, we should be able to take something. Thing is now, guys, for shorts, like from our current price, if we want shorts, we gotta sell off 134 points. Is that gonna happen? I don't know. I thought you said something new. Never mind. But yeah, I don't know why it shows this as a new message. I literally already saw this. Alright. So yeah, let's just see, guys, for 50 seconds till this candle closes. See what we could do. ES tapped into its new gap. Did it? Oh yeah, I did. Wait, no, I didn't. Oh yeah, wait. Yo, why is my gap so weird? Okay, yeah, I did. You're right. Because I don't want to trade ES. I don't like ES. Either way, for NQ. That's crazy. Like, this candle was a full green candle, made a hole for value gap on NQ, and then it was red on ES. That's so interesting. Yeah, see if we're able to flip this candle now to red, tap to his gap, and go higher. That's a lot of selling pressure. Let's tap into this gap. Tapped into it on MNQ. There you go. Alright, should be, yeah. Alright, so let's see how we react off here. Hopefully we get in a little bit deeper. I want us to get to at least like the midpoint. Would be pretty nice. Would really like if we went to the midpoint. Let's tap into the midpoint of the gap. It gives us a better entry and also just a little more confirmation. I don't know why my OBS freaking doesn't work. But yeah, yes, also did tap into the gap, so let's see how we react here. Okay, going a little lower, which is good. This would be a perfect spot to reject off of. So let's see if we can actually reject here. So we rejected there right off the midpoint. ES dumped a little tiny bit lower into the gap. ES doesn't look like it wants to go down that much. So yeah, try to find an entry. See if we can find an entry on 797. We're about to get a red to green flip too, so this is really nice. Let me put the stop loss and everything. Hold on. Stop loss at this bottom. It's gonna be 775. Wait, no. 27752.50. Let's see, guys, if we can go above 797 here. Try to get a fill around here. And we'll get this red to green flip. I'll keep pumping up over here. Oh, very quick green to red flip. Yes, it's going deeper into the gap. Oh my, yo. Oh my guys, I'm not entering yet. I'm gonna see if we can hold above. Hold on guys, I'm not in yet, I'm not in. There's a lot of volume, I'll wait for it to slow down. It's like way too much volume to enter off of. Hold on guys, wait. Okay. Let's see. Volume slowed down a bit now. Let's see if we can hold above it now, and if we're able to, then we enter. There's a really crazy red to green flip. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Sorry guys, I'm not in yet. Like green to red. Okay, let's see if we're able to pump up here. Held above 797. We can enter longs. It's like we're struggling to hold above it. We keep like rejecting here. Let me see ES. Okay. Yeah, green to red is crazy. What the hell? Mm. Twinkie, did you see that? See how much volume came in, bro? That was nuts. Should probably wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for PMI. I don't know why PMI shows as an orange folder though. It's pretty weird. I mean, PMI is a red folder. But... yeah, we do have PMI at 10, guys. Fortunately, so. Oh my gosh, I would have entered off that. Yeah, the thing is, now we're probably not going to get an entry because we have PMI. So. Yeah, you see, like, we get... it's so weird. Like, we get so much volume, and then, like, we just, like, go down. It's like when we get, like, impulsive volume like that, it should just continue into that direction. But then it just, like, rejects. I'm gonna just delete this for now, guys. I don't know, this volume's very interesting. There you go. It's pumped up. Now we're pumping. Damn, bro. Yeah, it's very unfortunate we started pumping now. Yeah, look at that. Oh my, dude, we would have hit PT already. Yo, what the fuck? Dude, this would have been our quickest trade. Oh my gosh. Damn. Yep, it would that was our PT around like 850 because I would have entered at 800, and I was just gonna target 50 points. Wow. Yeah, very unfortunate. We couldn't catch this trade because of PMI, but you know we can still catch another trade. So let's see what we can get here moving forward. Yeah, that would have been the quickest trade. Look at this, guys. I was really targeting what 847. Smacked it. I don't know. The volume must have just looked really weird. Like we just kept pumping up, and then like it kept rejecting, pumping up, rejecting. Like it's very like it couldn't hold itself up. It's weird. So let's see see if we can get another continuation or what. Cause like I mean the only thing we can really work with is a continuation, guys. Cause shorts very far away. 200 points away, guys. So. It's PMI shit, bro. If we didn't have PMI, we would answer that. Yeah, so now we just have to wait again. see what 10 a.m. does, guys. We're still pumping. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. Dude, oh my, yo, do you guys see? Oh, hello? Yo, what the fuck? Oh my. Wow, MNQ looks complete. MNQ opened up here, bro, at 883. What the hell, dude? Oh my gosh. Yo, this volume is nuts. PMI came out bearish. Manufacturing PMI came out bearish, but the manufacturing prices came out bullish. Yo, MNQ and NQ look completely different, bro. Dude, that was so much volume that MNQ like gapped up. Oh my gosh. Like the candle open's supposed to be here, like how NQ is, but it's all the way up here at 83. Okay, now we don't have to worry about PMI. So let's see if we can get another retracement. Hopefully the market has another retracement in it. If not, then we missed the move, and it is what it is. Just get off and wait till next week. But let's see if it wants to retrace back into this big old gap we created. So guys, we missed the first setup, but doesn't mean that we can't catch another one. So let's see. Let's see. We have 3 minutes until this candle closes. Yeah, so what we want to see is obviously, boom, 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 price, go back into this gap, and we just start going for higher. This is what I want to see. So we gotta wait 3 minutes, guys. So it's 3 minutes of doing nothing. I'm just waiting for the market to do something. You see, I mean, we still have pretty good volume. Shouldn't have to worry about volume dying yet. Hopefully not. But we also don't want us to pump up like crazy yet. Want us to. Hopefully we start rejecting here. Then we tap into this gap. And then we can go for higher. We catch a little long. We've already, we've pumped up so much already. Let me see. We've pumped up almost 300 points, guys. This is another scary thing because like now we have no levels to work with. You know, to the upside, and the market's already pumped 300 points. So it's like, how much higher does the market want to go? Obviously, we are like extremely bullish. So it's not that we like the market's just gonna dump. It's either we're gonna just keep pumping up, or we're gonna consolidate and chop. So hopefully the market still has some juice left in it, and we're able to go into this gap and pump for higher. Maybe it wants to go like into the 2800s. Really hope. Still got some juice in it. So, you know, we missed the first trade because we were waiting for PMI to come out. So let's see if hopefully we can catch this trade. So we are getting some selling pressure here. Let's see if we're able to tap into this gap. Let me look at ES. I think ES also has a gap. It does. So like, let's see if we can both tap into the gap on ES and NQ. Would be pretty nice. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Let me. Wait. What did I do? I can just delete this and make this whole thing a gap. Doesn't really matter. Okay, we are dumping a bit here, but we didn't touch the gap yet. We're literally so close to touching the gap. ES did tap into the gap though, so we just need NQ to do it, and we're chilling. Let me see. Boom. So hopefully we're able to tap into the gap here. Go a little lower. Alright, oil's going down. Yep, oil is going down. It's at $100 a barrel now. Damn, hopefully we don't pump up, bro. So we need to tap into this gap, bro. Thing is with this, it just looks weird. Hold on, let me fix this. So I can like tell what the difference is. The 15-minute and the 5-minute. Yeah, hopefully we're able to drop here, bro. At least drop into this gap. I don't want us to drop all the way down, you know, but at least into this 5-minute gap. The heck? We were so close. How many points do we need to sell off? Around like 40. So let's see. Bro. See if we can tap into the gap here. We really need price to tap into this 5-minute. Thing is, soon we're gonna have a 15-minute as well in 4 minutes. So we're getting a little bit of selling pressure here. Let's see if we can continue it into this gap. If we can't tap into this gap, I'm probably just gonna get off for the day, guys. Low-key pumping. Do I have news coming out? No. No news. What? For real, Twinkie? Bro, no way. 5 seconds and we create this 15-minute gap. So let's see. Okay, finally dumping down, guys. I guess not. Bro, I'm freaking starving, man. Oh, guys, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back, guys. I'm back. ESN and Q Loki have a bit of an SMT here. ES wants to go higher while Enki's trying to go lower. So weird. Apparently Russia's doing it. They're gonna wait. Yeah, Russia's gonna offer a ceasefire to Ukraine on May 9th. And Iran apparently also sent a new deal proposal to the US about 2 hours ago. Interesting. But I really hope this war is able to end, man. Freaking gas goes back to normal. Trading goes back to normal. Trading has been so AIDS because of this war, bro. Bro. I guess, I mean, market doesn't really look like it's doing anything. We're in this choppy chop here. It's unfortunate we missed the move. So we had to wait for news to come out. Let me see. Next trade should be good on Monday. Let me see news for next week, actually. Next week we have... Next week. Alright. Next week we have Monday, no news. Tuesday, PMI at 10 a.m. Jolts. Oh my gosh, wow, we have a lot of news. On Tuesday, we have PMI, Jolts, job openings, and new home sales. Wednesday, nothing really. 15 orange folder. Thursday, unemployment claims at 8:30. Friday, we have NFP. So Friday is definitely going to be pretty volatile. And unemployment rate. Market restabilizes a little bit. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. This market condition is definitely very, very interesting. We've had to trade in very interesting market conditions recently. Yeah, it's all good, bro. I mean, dude, it's just so unfortunate we had PMI today, bro, because, dude, we would have caught this big-ass pump, bro. But, yeah, guys, it's already 10:30. Market's kind of not really doing anything, so I'm going to go and get off here. So, I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend. Market open as always 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'll see you guys on Monday. And yeah, peace, guys.